Hey, if your Keurig is brewing slowly, splattering coffee, or not brewing at all, there's a good chance the needle is clogged. Yeah, this happens more often than you think. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to clean a clogged Keurig needle safely and properly. First things first, turn off your Keurig and unplug it from the wall. You don't want any power running through the machine while you're cleaning it. Lift the handle where the coffee pod sits. Inside, you'll see a small metal needle at the top. That's what punctures the pod and allows water to flow through. Some models also have a bottom needle under the pod holder, so we'll check that too. Now, grab a paper clip and straighten one end. Carefully insert it into the needle hole to loosen any trapped coffee grounds. Go slowly and be careful because the needle is sharp. Move the paper clip around gently to break up buildup. Then repeat the same process for the bottom needle if your model has one. If you remove the pod holder, rinse it under warm running water. This helps clear loose grounds and residue. Shake off excess water and place it back into the machine securely. Now plug the machine back in, fill the reservoir with fresh water, and run 1 or 2 brew cycles without inserting a pod. This flushes out any remaining debris. If the water flows smoothly, your needle is clean and ready to go. To prevent future clogs, try cleaning the needle once a month, especially if you use your Keurig daily. Also, avoid overfilled or damaged pods since they can push extra grounds into the needle. And that's it. Cleaning a clogged Keurig needle only takes a few minutes. And honestly, it can save you from replacing the machine. So yeah, if your brew's been acting up, this is usually the fix. Hopefully your coffee's flowing perfectly again.